Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by verifying prerequisites. Confirm Synapse SQL pool is online, firewall permits access, and you have Azure AD or Service Principal credentials. Once done, open Power BI Desktop and select Get Data Azure Synapse Analytics, formerly SQL Data Warehouse. Make sure you choose Direct Query or Import depending on dataset size and refresh needs, because performance and security depend on that choice. You're now ready to enter the server and database names to begin the connection. You'll pick Authentication next. Use Azure AD for single sign-on and role-based access, or supply a service principal for automated refreshes. Once authenticated, Power BI shows Navigator, filter by schema, and pick views or materialize tables to reduce load. If you need custom queries, use native SQL to push filters into Synapse and avoid transferring entire tables. Make sure to set the dataset's privacy level and map credentials to an on-premises gateway when scheduled refresh or hide. You finish by optimizing and publishing. Apply push-down filters and use partitions or materialized views to speed queries and lower cost. Then publish to the Power BI service, configure dataset credentials and scheduled refresh, and assign workspace permissions. If something goes wrong, start troubleshooting. Recheck Synapse firewall and Azure AD role assignments, validate gateway configuration and logs, and monitor SQL pool utilization, scale if queries time out. Once resolved, rerun the refresh to confirm reports load correctly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.